So many scrap items are here. There is a broken laptop. I still don't know the laptop works or not, but I'm pretty sure the display is totally broken. I think so, it's totally broken. And there is the motherboard, i3 4th generation with no RAM or SSD. I'm not sure it will run or not. And there are some batteries. I got this from scrap electronics, motor from the trimmer, and battery from keyboard, also some normal batteries. And yeah, this is all I have, and I have to take RAM and SSD or HDD from another laptop to check this board. So let's try. Now I have everything to turn on this laptop. It's 4GB RAM and it's 2GB RAM, and it's 500GB HDD. And here it is, the connector to connect the charger and turn on the laptop. So let's install the RAM first. Now it's time for the 2GB RAM and the HDD. So we have to upside down the motherboard and connect the HDD. It's time for the connector. All right, everything is now perfect. Now it's the charger from the laptop, original charger, 65 watt. So let's give some electric connection to this charger. One more thing, since I don't have the original display of the laptop, I'm going to use my monitor over here. All right, all perfect. Now it's time for the truth. So let's see what happens next. Okay, now it's time to give power to the multi-plug, then the board, then the monitor. Since I don't have any original display to turn on, so firstly we need to connect the plug to the board, then turn on. Wait. So it's the HDMI cable and the HDD. It's all perfect. I don't have any button to turn on. I'm going to use manual method. The fan is now spinning. 2 white lights are showing. Now let's turn on the monitor. I hope so it will run. Yes, it's Windows 10. The board is healthy enough to run. It's very happy to see my motherboard is alright, recovery. So let's connect my mouse. It's my mouse. It looks like my port has a problem. That's why mouse is not working. Well, don't worry. We are going to fix this in next part. So I'm going to put I'm going to paste some thermal paste in the CPU. It's my thermal paste from Deep Cool, and I'm going to paste it here. So first we need to remove the heat sink. I think it's jammed. I can't remove this bolt. It's totally jammed. We can try this one. Oh, finally. So it's the processor, and we are going to paste the thermal paste. I think it's enough. Now it's finished, so let's check everything carefully. Is there anything left or not? I guess yes, it's ready to build. I have some plans, let me share. So I'm going to mount this motherboard over I'm going to mount this motherboard over here, right here, and the monitor will be here, some kind of Stark Lab. Although the board is healthy enough to run a Windows, but never introduced myself. Well, I'm Tanim Walker, I am a wife coder, and also I love to work with electronics and hardware scrap items like this. So this is who I am, and also I have many scrap items. This is where I took the laptop from here, and I have also my PC. Let me show you. This is my PC with a GPU 1030 and with a very weak processor or moderate processor i3 4 Gen, same as this laptop motherboard, and monitor 18-inch with 240 SSD and 500 GB HDD, and this is my headphone. So there are still more works to do. Still, let me show you more things. I am a self-taught wife coder, and I built Ansel website from right here and take care of my family, but today I'm stuck. My current project is 100% finished. Let me show you the project I have built for my client. This is very big website, ISRM website, which is a very big website, and let me show you the admin panel of the website. It took me almost 2 months to build the website fully finished. Now the clients are checking my website. As you can see, a lot of options, but the problem is I have 0 credits left to write a new code. Let me show you the frustration. I work with Tray AI, Cursor and Windsurf and local API to build website. It's way more than, as you can see. Time to discover a new element, because Tray and any other IDE I have totally maxed out of their tokens, and it's very painful to wait and work, you know. Now I'm gonna do absolute deep research on vibe coding, so let's see what I can find. Discovered a new element, so let me show you what is it. It's actually Tony Stark coding Jarvis. This is what I actually listening while doing some research or deep work. So now let me show you the main thing in my own words. The initial plan was to only rely on free tires, but that's completely impossible. So I am going to combine Tray, Cursor and then Windsurf and the main thing, Claude, combining for these to make a absolute powerful stack. Let me show you how. The initial plan was to run local LLM, which is quite impossible. Then the plan comes out, the solution cloud stack that combines free 3 tiers then paid one, then that is cloud. Now you can see tray is for folder structure and windsurf is for backend and cursor is for polishing the front end, and cloud, this is the main one. Let me show you clearly. This is the main one, Cloud API plus client extension. So I have to spend around $5 to $15. As you can see why it's cheaper, because free tires, tray, windsurf, cursor do 90% of initial heavy lifting. You only spend your paid Cloud API tokens on final hardest 10% of your project, which is quite impressive. So in the next chapter I am going to work on this, what it was. I am going to work on hybrid cloud stack and the, as you can see, the motherboard over there, and do some work with scraps. I am around my PC and scraps all the time. That's my hobby, that's my passion. See you in the next video.